didn't work.
Why don't we try cure number 2, hanging?
I'll try anything. Where should I do it?
How about over there on the chair?
Okay.
Perfect.
Excuse me, Louise.